Imagine you're an engineering manager, working on a critical project with a tight deadline. Your team is a mix of talents, each brilliant in their own right, but as diverse as chalk and cheese. The clock is ticking, and the stakes are high. Sounds familiar? Well, it's in this high-pressure cooker scenario that the importance of clear and effective communication becomes glaringly evident. Misunderstandings can derail projects, while well-conveyed ideas can produce breakthroughs. This is why, as an engineering manager, mastering the art of communication is not just a nice-to-have, it's an absolute necessity. It's the difference between a well-oiled machine and a car running on fumes. This video is your guide to understanding the nuances of communication in software development and how you can leverage it to lead your team to success. So, how can an engineering manager foster clear communication? Let's unravel this mystery. An engineering manager is like an orchestra conductor. This comparison may seem unusual at first, but it perfectly captures the essence of the manager's role in team communication. Just as a conductor unifies performers, sets the tempo, executes clear preparations and beats, an engineering manager facilitates, guides, and aligns the team's communication. The manager's role is pivotal in fostering clear communication within the team. They are responsible for setting clear expectations, ensuring that everyone is on the same page, and that the tasks are understood by all. The manager also plays a crucial role in promoting an environment where questions are encouraged and feedback is seen as a tool for growth rather than criticism. The correlation between effective communication and team productivity is undeniable. When communication flows seamlessly, misunderstandings are minimized, tasks are executed efficiently, and the overall productivity of the team increases exponentially. Indeed, clear communication is the backbone of a productive team. Even in the most harmonious teams, communication barriers can creep in. You see, software development is a field riddled with technical jargon. These terms can often become a stumbling block for team members not well versed in the language. Imagine trying to understand a foreign film without subtitles. That's how it feels for a team member lost in the sea of tech terminologies. Now let's talk about another elephant in the room. Remote work challenges. As more teams become distributed, the issue of differing time zones arises. Imagine having to wait half a day for a response from a team member on the other side of the world. It can be quite frustrating, can't it? Then there's the issue of ambiguous task descriptions and expectations. It's like being handed a map with no clear destination. Finally, hierarchical barriers and the silence culture can further hinder open communication. But fear not, for every challenge there exists a solution. Every problem has a solution, and communication barriers are no exception. Now that we've unraveled the common communication barriers that exist in software development teams, let's talk about how to conquer them. One of the best strategies is to establish a routine of regular team check-ins and one-on-one meetings. This not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also fosters a culture of open communication. Clear documentation and code commenting practices are equally important. Remember, your code is a form of communication too. By documenting your code clearly, you're ensuring that your team understands what each line of code is meant to do, reducing chances for confusion and misinterpretation. Encourage open feedback loops. Constructive criticism is a powerful tool for improvement and growth. Make sure your team feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. Finally, don't underestimate the role of retrospectives in understanding your communication challenges. They can provide valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. Remember, the right tools can make a world of difference. In this digital age, a plethora of tools can aid in communication. Platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom are commonly used for real-time collaboration. Task management tools such as Jira, Trello, and Asana can clarify task details, ensuring everyone is on the same page. And to bridge the remote work communication gap, tools like WorldTime Buddy and Miro are extremely handy. But remember, tools are just the medium. The essence of good communication lies in soft skills. Active listening, for instance, is not just about hearing, but understanding and responding. Constructive feedback delivery is another crucial skill. It involves offering suggestions for improvement in a positive, supportive way. Then there's conflict resolution, an art of finding common ground and fostering harmony. And let's not forget empathy, understanding diverse team backgrounds and appreciating different perspectives. With these tools and skills, you're well on your way to mastering team communication. Before we wrap up, here are a few practical tips for engineering managers. First, set clear expectations from the start. This helps your team understand their roles and responsibilities, reducing ambiguity and confusion. Secondly, cultivate a culture where questions are encouraged. This will foster an environment of openness and transparency, where everyone feels comfortable seeking clarity and understanding. Additionally, don't forget to provide regular training sessions on the use of communication tools. This ensures everyone is on the same page and can effectively utilize these resources. Lastly, remember to celebrate successes, but also consider failures as learning opportunities. This helps your team grow and improve, fostering a positive and supportive atmosphere. In conclusion, mastering team communication as an engineering manager is crucial. It's the key to productivity, efficiency, and overall team satisfaction. Remember, clear communication is an ongoing journey, not a destination. So keep learning, keep adapting, and keep communicating.